Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
I've been waiting at this light for 5 minutes. I'm actually going to be coming back here later today. I could have waited to get my espresso until later today, but that would have been painful. Eat my caffeine early. Coming back down to get the dog's teeth cleaned at this natural pet food store where they don't actually put the dogs under, which is nice. Safer that way. And we did it last year and it seemed to work well. And then I have a meeting at the same time at the coffee shop here. So hopefully that's going to work out well enough. Although I don't know how that's going to work out now that I think about it. The dogs haven't seen me in minutes. Are you happy? You guys already went out. You went potty. In fact, you went potty out front today. So I can make sure Pixie wasn't going to eat the grass. You so cray. I think I have oral allergy syndrome, OAS. A few minutes ago, I got a tweet from a friend, Mike Lennox, NL, and he said, "Hey, it's been a while. When was the last time you had almonds?" And I thought about it, and I said, well, you know, it seems that when I had almonds the last time, my throat kind of itched just a bit. I mean, I didn't have any kind of other reaction. And then even yesterday, I had some avocado that Diana had out on the counter. And I've had avocado before, and the same thing would happen. I would kind of itch. It would tingle, like the back of my throat. So I searched for avocado almond allergy, and the first result was a Wikipedia page on oral allergy syndrome. It's a type of food allergy classified by a cluster of allergic reactions in the mouth in response to eating certain, usually fresh fruits, nuts, and vegetables that typically develops in adult hay fever sufferers. And I have hay fever. I mean, I'm allergic to this stuff. So apparently, it can be worse depending on the time of year with the pollens that are, I guess, on the fruit, the nut, or the vegetable. That can impact me. So the only way to stay ahead, I mean, I'm coughing. Yeah, I'm still recovering from yesterday's cigar. I'm allergic to tobacco, too. Well, that was stupid. The way to stay ahead of it is taking an antihistamine, so looks like I'm going to have to do that daily to see if that helps at all. Great, now I'm allergic to everything we have. Look at all these Lego magnetic bases that I'm never going to use. I can't say never, maybe I can figure out some kind of craft project. Preparing for the trip that we're going to take down to get their teeth cleaned. But I have canceled the meeting that I was going to have simultaneously, so hopefully it won't be too crazy. The best part of Diana's leftovers is they taste delicious even days after they were originally made. She's one hell of a chef, cook, preparer, craftsman, craftswoman. What's the right word?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by a toe. If he hollers, make him pay $50 every day. My mom told me to pick the very best one, and you are not it. A minifig from Rodrigo Torres. Ah, Maraca Man.
Well, here's something that I don't see every day. YouTube sent me an email saying that, hey, I've got over 100,000 subscribers, so I guess I should be thanking you because they're going to be sending me a $500 gift certificate to use at B&H Photo. So I am curious, what should I get with that $500 gift certificate? I guess it has to be something related to video equipment. I still have that Canon T3i. Maybe I can get a different lens for it, one that's better suited for video. So I have you to thank for it. Actually, I have twice as many of you to thank for it, considering that we're coming close to hitting 200,000 subscribers again. I mean, again, because they eliminated a lot of bunk accounts, and that dropped us quite a ways because I've had a YouTube account since how long ago? 2006? Wicket. Hey, buddy. Visiting your sister? Ready to go get your teeth cleaned? It'll be fun. I swear it will. We'll also pick up more food since you guys are out. Alright, any puke today? Nothing. Alright. Into this cage. Not around it. Wicket, I need you in here. Can you just work with me? Work with me. Just no, wait, you're not driving. You can't even navigate. What? Wicket, I need you in the back seat. Pixie, can you come over here for me? See? You're nice and safe. And they're apparently plotting their escape. Wicket, he's trying to look for any exploits. I think he was Houdini in a former life. I don't know who Pixie was in a former life, though. Someone who puked. It's kind of nice out today. It was cloudy earlier. Maybe if you guys are good, we'll go for a walk when we get home. If you're good. I realize that's a lot to ask. Bless you. Why don't we sing a song? I'm climbing up the corporate ladder. Watch out, it's dog eat dog. Here we go. You guys know that one? It's a classic. Weird Al Yankovic. Polka Party. One of my favorite albums, even though it wasn't really a commercial success. And it's not that he sings about a dog eating another dog. I'm not saying that you guys should start eating one another or other dogs. Don't really support that kind of thing. It's just a saying. You know, like dog eat dog. You know, we're always in the irony's escaping you, isn't it? This is weird. I gotta go home to get the checkbook because they only take checks. People still take checks? Hopefully I remember how to write a check. Man, what are we living in? 1984? I bet you're the type of person who follows directions, aren't you? The U.S. Postal Service is apparently not. See the state of this particular mailing? Yeah, well. Okay, can you guys smile for me? Wicket, I'm over here. Can you smile? You don't want to smile? Do you realize that you've been to the dentist more than I have? No, not your butts. I need your faces. The other side of your... No, don't follow me. No. You already went out. And you did your thing. Smile. Again with the butts. Burning calories so we can eat more bacon when we get home. I think we have bacon. Come to think of it. Well, we may be eating beans. If we have those. I think I just swallowed a gnat. At least I didn't walk through a spider web. Yikes. Good boy, Wicket. Always look both ways before crossing the street. Daddy taught you well. Actually, I think Mommy taught you that. Daddy tends to forget to look both ways. Just kind of walks out there. No, I don't think you're supposed to be on the grass, dude. No, I'm serious. Unless you gotta do something. Do you have to do something? No, you don't? No, we want to go this way now. Okay. They look tasty. Oh, no, wait. I have that allergy. And they could be poisonous. Well, I guess there's only one way to find out. When I was in LA, Matthew noticed the scar on my hand. Well, it's not really a scar. It's just kind of a darker marking where a scrape used to be. It's pretty much fully healed. It's just that my skin is so incredibly white that when I damage it, it really stands out. But I'm better. It's fine. I'm not gonna die. Yet.
It's from Chris, my son, Diana, his wife, and Hector, Diana's brother. Oh, look, they gave me bubble wrap.
It's Dad's birthday. He uploaded that video to YouTube. You can watch it in his channel. He's Joe Pirillo.
Wow. Is that cool? Is that cool or what?
I'm about to redeem an Amazon.com gift card for the amount of $25. And you could do the same thing. You can accrue your own points by heading over to go.tagjag.com/free apps. I'll put the link in the description. I've used this camera so much, I've worn the strap clean through. Well, Wicket was barking. If you want to watch Big Bang Theory, come up here. Before you go, don't forget to like this video.